Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. So I choose this drawing. You can see the base size is 60 plus 30 90 mm, 30 plus 20 50 mm, and also one cutout is there, that is 30 by 20. So I will prepare first base, then I will start these extruded parts. Open software, go to file, new, select standard mm, here metric and standard mm template, create. So select the sketch, select any one plane, center rectangle, give the dimension. This is 90 mm, this is 50 mm, and also one cutout is there here. Select line, trim remaining this and this, give the dimension. mm, select the horizontal, give the dimension. This is 20 mm. So remove this dimension, give the dimension here to here 90 mm. That's it. And also 45. Yeah, that's it friends. Finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, again select this surface, sketch. You can see here one extruded is there, that is height is 20 plus 20 40 minus 10 mm. This is 20 mm. Select the corner rectangle, give the dimension. Finish sketch, extruded up to 30 mm. Okay, again select this surface, sketch. You can see here length is 40 and height is 20, extrude is there. Select the same rectangle, give the dimension. This is 20 mm, this is 40 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, you can see here on 20 by 20 cutout is there. Select this surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 20 by 20. Finish sketch, select extruded, here cut through all. Okay, that's it friend. This is the basic 3D model in Inventor software you can learn. So I will save this part. Control S, Inventor, save. And also I can give some coloring here. Select this one, select entire body, select any one color here. Okay, we can assign the material also. I will show material assigning next video. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thank you.